Welcome back. We're now just going down Wyalong Street in Croydon. Croydon's a suburb just adjacent to Burwood and next to Ashfield. And 2 more suburbs away to be Strathfield. Nice tree-lined street, this one. Unfortunately, across the road around here is not that accessible. We're going to turn left here into Wyalong Street. Dog barking at me. Kitty cat. All the very old buildings around this street, Wyalong Street, Croydon. At the end of the street is actually Burwood, I believe. Kind of smells around here though. Good to see the council does their job and keeps the nature strips clean. Trees overrunning the footpath. There's no street signs here, so we have no idea what this street name is. I believe it might be Shaftesbury Street. Still Croydon. Oh, Jesus Christ. Thank you for watching.